Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Morning.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Oh, that's good. Very good. So, in this bright day, there is a sun shining so bright. I hope you are in a good condition, all of you. So, we are going to learn again in English. With me, of course, Mr. Frank, your coolest English teacher ever, as usual. So, before we start, as usual, I need someone to be a volunteer as a leader to lead us pray. Okay, is there anyone who wants to be a volunteer? Ada yang mau? Silakan. Siti Mutia. Okay, please Siti Mutia.
Be steady. Before we study, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Greeting.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, students.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. That's good, Siti Mutia. Very good. I do appreciate for your effort to lead us pray. And next, I'm going to share our project today, or our problem today, by using projector, and you can see on the screen in front of you. Can you see it? Bisa lihat?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, this is a welcoming screen. Welcome to English class. Okay, still with me, Mr. Frank Saryanto Halim. So don't look at the picture. Yeah, it's so, yeah, you know. Right. So this is our agenda today. The table of content. This is our agenda. The first is opening, and the second is introduction, and the third is orientation, main activity, evaluation, and conclusion, and the last one, a reflection and closing. Okay, we always do this agenda in our meeting, right? Sudah berkali-kali kita melakukan ini dengan kurang lebih susunan agenda yang sama. Okay, it's still the same with the previous meetings. So let's get started. Kok balik lagi? Okay, pray. So we have prayed before, right? Siti Mutia is a leader today. Check out the attendance list. So, as usual, I am going to check up the attendance of students here, boys and girls. Is there anyone who are not here today, who are absent or permitted? Yes, please.
Amelia.
Amelia. Okay.
Amelia, permission.
Permission, and then
He is sick.
he is.
Rita sick. Santi sick. Iwan sick. And Elsa sick.
So there are four.
Yes.
Four. How many?
Six.
How many students are not here? Six. Okay, 6 students. How many boys? How many boys? One. Only one. And how many girls? 5. Okay, 5. So how many students are sick? Yang sakit berapa orang? How many? 5. And who had permission? Only one. Okay, that's good. Before we start, I want to ask you about the date. What date is it today? Tanggal berapa hari ini? 29, right? What day? The day is Tuesday. Okay, good, very good. And the date is 29 November. November is what month is November in a year? 11th? Yeah, okay. And then 2000 and okay. Very good, very good. Okay. Thank you, Widya, to mention your friends who are not here today. Okay. Is there anyone who wants to help me as a conductor to sing a national song together? We are going to sing along the national song before we start learning English. Okay, please. Ada yang mau? Silakan. Okay, Nina, please, Nina.
Please stand up. Marilah kita menyanyikan lagu nasional yang berjudulkan Dinda Guru. 1, 2, 3.
Terpujilah wahai Engkau,
Ibu Bapa Guru,
namamu akan selalu hidup dan sanubariku. Pelita dalam kegelapan, Engkau pasangan embun penyejuk dalam kehausan. Engkau patriot, pahlawan bangsa, tanpa tanda jasa. Okay, thank you very much.
Sit down.
Okay, Nina, thank you, Nina. Okay, very good. So, is there anyone knows why do we have to sing this song together? Kenapa kita harus menyanyikan lagu ini? Ada yang tahu kira-kira? Because Teacher's Day. Okay. What day was it? What day is it? What date is the Teacher's Day? Tanggal berapa? 25 November 2000 and oh, bebas ya, mau 22 mau tahun berapapun akan selalu dirayakan. Oke, kita harus mengingat Hari Guru. Oke. Do you have your favorite teacher? Ada favorit guru kalian? Ada? Ada? Is your teacher encouraging you to have an ambition or targets or goals? Apakah guru kalian memberitahu atau menginformasikan atau mungkin memberi saran mengenai cita-cita atau tujuan nanti setelah lulus after you graduate? Ada? Ada? So, what are you going to do after graduating from this school? Apa yang akan kalian lakukan setelah lulus? Mencari? Okay, looking for a job. Ada lagi? Maybe someone is going to the college ya, to continue the study, right? Ada yang mau belajar lagi, mungkin kuliah lagi ya, it's okay. atau ada yang bekerja. Kayaknya, how many students here that wants to get work after graduating directly? Siapa yang mau langsung kerja kira-kira? Silahkan angkat tangannya. Wah, banyak ya? Banyak ya? Oke, banyak ya. Oke, ini akan ada hubungannya. This thing, this issue, this information about that many students here are going to work after graduating will have a relationship with our material today. So, what is it? Let's go. Nah, previous meeting. Di pertemuan sebelumnya, okay? In the previous meeting, what did we learn? Apa yang kita pelajari?
Yes. Social vocation of job interview, sir.
Social?
Vocation.
Social function of job interview. And then ada lagi? Ada lagi? Yes.
Kata-kata yang digunakan dalam job interview, Mister.
Kata-kata yang digunakan dalam job interview. Ya, vocabularies ya dan language features. Ada lagi? Yang masih ingat silakan. Ada lagi? Yes, Faisal, please.
Language features of job interview.
Language features of job interview. Ya, tuh. Ada lagi? Is there anyone? Is there anything else? Okay, it's okay. Ada vocabularies ya, ada language features dan juga social function. Okay. Thank you, Wiwi, Fitri, and Faisal. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Class agreement. Okay, kesepakatan kelas. Jadi sebelum kita melanjutkan pembelajaran, as usual, in a common activity before we start, is there anyone, boys and girls, who wants to read the class agreement here? Ada yang mau baca? Silakan. Please help me. Yes.
Class agreement. Define and behave your manner. Come into the class 5 minutes before the class starts. Raise your hand and say, "May I try?" If you want to ask or answer questions. Ask permission to the teacher if you want to go to the toilet or other important activities. Do not ask upside and rise forward. Do your best to finish your test or assessment individually or in group. Ask your smartphone or other gadget only for learning, not for opening social media or playing games.
Thank you very much, Dedi Akbar. Give applause for Dedi Akbar and all of you. Thank you. Ya, ini kesepakatan kelasnya. Poin nomor 1 sampai nomor 6 kalian sudah tahu ya, sudah sering diulang-ulang. Oke. First until 5th points, you have already known about this and familiar, right? Raise your hand dan katakan "May I try" saat kamu menjawab atau menanya gitu ya. Nah, untuk yang terakhir ini yang unik, use your smartphone or other gadgets only for learning, not for opening social media or playing game. Okay. Your generation, your era is truly far away different than our era 10 years ago, 5 years ago. Ya, jadi sekarang kalian tidak hanya menggunakan buku dan kertas atau pulpen atau alat tulis sekolah, tapi kalian sudah menggunakan gadgets atau smartphone. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
But remember, do not use that only for playing games or opening social media, checking up that you are trending or not. It's okay to not to be trending, right? Tidak apa-apa kalau kamu tidak trending, nggak apa-apa ya. If your likes only 2, 1, it's okay. Okay, next. Let's do our turn together. Ya, kita yel-yel dulu ya. Silakan berdiri, please stand up. Kita yel-yel dulu. Masih ingat yel-yelnya? Kita sudah ulang-ulang ini. We always repeat this chant. Okay. Okay, let's get started. If I say how, you say yes.
Yes, yes.
Oh, salah ya. Oke dong. Nah, saya lupa. Ya, oke dulu ya. Oke, yes baru great. How dulu, what baru why gitu ya. I say how, you say okay.
Okay, okay.
I say what, you say yes.
Yes, yes.
I say why, you say great.
Great, great.
Okay. Yes.
Great.
Okay, give applause for you all. Thank you. Sit down, please. Ya. Okay. Nah, ice breaking, concentration game, and pairing. Kira-kira gitu ya. Kenapa kita harus bermain ini? Karena nanti ada hubungannya dengan pembelajaran. Oke. Silakan. Masing-masing mengambil satu ya. Erwin, can you help me? Spread it out, please. Disebarkan. Fitri, can you help me? Spread it out, please. Have you got the piece of paper? Sudah dapat?
Yeah.
Lebih nggak, Win? Lebih? Karena ada 6 orang yang nggak masuk, berarti lebih ya. Erwin, kamu ngambil dong?
Udah.
Udah. Oke. Ya, di situ, di kertas itu, on the piece of paper, there is a written text, right, or word. Each word has a different type. Jadi ada verb 1, ya. There is a verb 1 and verb 2. Nah, silakan kalian temukan pasangannya. You have to find the pair, okay, the couple. Kalian harus temukan pasangannya. Misalnya, kalau kata kerja makan, eat ya. Gitu kan? Kata keduanya eat. Nah, ini udah jadi pasangan nih. Oke, silakan kalian temukan pasangannya dalam waktu. Paham nggak? Do you understand? Paham ya? Kalian temukan. Boleh kalian acak-adut ya. Belum mulai. Belum mulai. Waktunya 30 detik dimulai dari sekarang. Silakan. Raisa langsung sama Dedi aja. Ya, 10 seconds. 10 detik lagi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, finish. Oke, sudah. Silakan duduk kembali. Silakan duduk kembali. Ada yang ketemu? Is there anyone? Find your couple, find your pair. Ada yang ketemu? Ada yang ketemu? What word?
12.
What is your word? Chos. Ada yang, oh kamu apa? Oh, chos sama? Kamu? Syuk sama shake. Betul. Ada lagi? Kamu apa, Susan? Sing sang. Okay, good, very good. Ada lagi? Is there anyone else? Ada lagi? Apa? Tol? Tel, betul. Sama siapa? Sama Cika. Okay, that's good. Ada lagi? Ada lagi? Ada lagi? Ada lagi yang menemukannya? Kira-kira Faisal apa? Faisal was. Nah, jadi B ya, betul ya. Was sama B. B itu R, M.
I am.
Kalau to be itu R, M sama
Aramis.
Aramis. R, M, is gitu ya. Kalau was, kata kerja kedua dari Is. Ya, diingat ya. Oke. Itu ada hubungannya dengan pembelajaran sekarang. So, the vocabularies that you hold up on your hands, the vocabularies are going to be used on the job interview. That's why we are going to do the pretest first, right? Silakan buka HP-nya. Okay. I have shared the link on the Google Classroom and the Google, WhatsApp group. You can check it out immediately now. The time is only 30 seconds. And no, 1 minute. Okay, in 1 minute. Okay, please, you can start now. Thirty seconds more ya, 30 detik lagi. Okay, finish. Udah, good, very good. Time up, waktunya habis ya. Waktunya sudah habis. Okay, now you can put your smartphone again on the table. Silakan disimpan lagi di atas meja ya. Kita lanjutkan kembali. Let's continue our learning session. Okay. So, what topic are we going to study now? Kira-kira topik apa yang akan kita pelajari setelah kalian menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi? You can guess what topic we are going to study now.
We are going to study how to deal with job interview.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Erwin, to answer the question. That's very good, yeah, and that's correct. Kita akan belajar tentang job interview. Are the questions difficult? Are the question difficult or easy? Pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi ada 5 ya. Kira-kira gampang atau susah? Hah? Easy or difficult? Difficult. Ada yang easy. Oke. Baik, kita sama-sama lihat ya. Nah, job interview. Wah, kita akan belajar tentang ini. Oke. Ada yang pernah tahu job interview? Apa itu? What is job interview? Wawancara kerja. Okay. That's obviously. That's so obvious. Okay. Nah, so these are the competencies ya. Untuk pengetahuan, knowledge, analyzing social function, text structures, and language features from very expression about asking and giving information related to job interview based on the context. And then skills, arranging and communicating social function, text structures, and language features from very expressions, job interview based on the context. Okay, next. Nah, ini tujuannya, learning objectives. Yang pertama, recognize and understand. Kalian akan mengenal dan memahami job interview. Kalau kemarin kalian belajar tentang minggu kemarin ya, belajar mengenai apa itu job interview gitu ya. Fungsi sosialnya apa gitu kan. Terus kosakata dan tata bahasa yang ada di dalamnya tuh bagaimana gitu ya. Dan juga strukturnya. Nah, kalau sekarang kalian akan mengenal dan memahami tentang caranya untuk bagaimana menghadapi wawancara kerja. Pertanyaan-pertanyaannya apa dan jawabannya bagaimana. Oke. Lalu yang kedua, manage and present. Kamu menyusun ya, jawabannya ya, menyusun jawaban-jawaban dari pertanyaan yang sudah disajikan, lalu present, menampilkan di depan ya. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now now we are going to watch the video. Okay. This is the example of a best practice video for job interview. Ini contohnya ya. Nah, tujuannya, silakan.
Okay, please come in. Good morning, sir. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. And how about you? I'm very good. Sit down, please. Thank you. Okay, welcome to our company, and this is our job interview session, and I will ask you several questions. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Very good. First of all, the first question is, can you tell me about yourself? My name is Frank Sarenwati. You can call me Frank. I live in Subang, West Java. I was born in Subang on 22 January 2002. So, what are your strengths? My strengths are I can speak English fluently as well as in a writing skill, and also I can use computer and operate some design softwares and Microsoft Office. To what extent, I am also a well-managed, consistent, and a friendly man. Okay. And what are your weaknesses? I sometimes depend on other people to assist me finish my project, our project. However, I look at my weaknesses as a great chance for improvement. I do my best effort to make myself better by learning through reading books, practicing, and doing discussion with partners. Alright, when did you leave your last job? Although I love the company and enjoyed working there with the people, I felt that the system is not supporting me to improve my skills and my knowledge specifically and effectively. I believe that I need to make myself better to make the company has a higher quality. Good answer. So, why should we hire you? I always think forward and plan my job very well. That's why I always accomplish my project on time, and as well, I honestly and consistently can adapt in a new environment and condition where I will work. Okay, I think that's enough. We will inform you the result of our interview today after discussing with our management. Thank you for coming. Well done and good luck. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay, that's all. Okay, what do you think about the video? Menurut kalian gimana videonya? It's good? Okay, wait a second. It's good. The video. There are two different men, different person. The first one is interviewer, and the first one is, and the other one is applicant, gitu ya. Walaupun orangnya sama ya sebenarnya. So let's answer the question ya. Ini individual aja, ya. Sendiri aja ya, silakan ada yang mau jawab. According to the video on YouTube that you have just watched it, what did they do? Apa yang mereka lakukan? Yes?
The video has a good quality.
The video?
Has a good.
What did they do? Oh, that's your opinion. Oke. Okay. Sebenarnya tadi mau memberikan opini ya. Itu videonya bagus. Oke, okay, that has good quality. Oke, okay. Ada yang mau beri komentar lagi tentang video? Silakan. Pipi, yes?
I think the voice volume can be louder and clearer.
The voice, oh, suara videonya bisa lebih kenceng katanya harusnya, gitu ya. So, oke. Okay. Nah, sekarang kita jawab pertanyaannya. According to the video on YouTube, what did they do? Apa yang mereka lakukan? Silakan. Ada yang mau jawab? Yes, please, Atia.
How come you edit the video like that?
Okay. Yes, I can. The edit is too difficult, but it's okay. let's not focus on the editing process. Okay, is there anyone who wants to answer? Next, ada lagi yang mau jawab? Silakan. Gak ada? What did they do? Apa yang mereka lakukan? Silakan. Apa siapapun mau jawab? Yes?
In my opinion, they do job interviews.
Ah, okay, thank you. They do job interview. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Thank you. Okay, next slide. Answer this question. In your opinion, what type of language did the man use to ask the questions? Kira-kira apa? Yes, Cika.
I think
Formal language. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Cika. Next. Nah, why did? Nah, kalau udah ada kata why, artinya menanyakan mengapa ya. Why did the interviewer ask him many questions? What was the purpose? Ada yang mau jawab? Yes, please, Susan. Okay, thank you very much, Susan. Jadi kata Susan, karena penanyanya atau yang mewawancara ingin mengetahui pengalaman gitu ya, biodata diri dari si pelamarnya, itu ya. Oke, next. Nah, can the applicant answer the question, interviewer's question about the strengths and weaknesses? What attitude was the applicant shown? Bisakah dia menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan? Yes, please.
Yes, he can. He looked not embarrassed. He answered the questions on point with smile, a clear voice, and has a good
Okay, good report. Thank you. It's okay. Sorry Pak. It's okay. Jawabannya yang paling tepat tadi sudah dijelaskan oleh Syarifah. Can ya. Yes, he can. Dia bisa menjawabnya, gitu ya. What attitude was the applicant shown? Kira-kira apa tata krama atau perilaku yang dia perlihatkan tadi? Apakah dia marah-marah, suaranya kencang, atau dia nervous atau enggak? Menurut kalian? He is not nervous. Okay, that's good. You can see from the picture, okay, the applicant is looking at straight, eye to eye, ya, to the interviewer. Jadi kamu harus menatap matanya, gitu ya, nggak boleh nunduk terus, gitu ya. Okay, next. Nah, do you think the applicant can handle the interview very well? Tell your opinion. Ya, ada yang mau jawab? Silakan. Yes, please.
Yes, he can. It can be seen from how fast he responds and how confident he was when answering the interview question.
Ya, that's good. Betul ya. Tadi dia menjawab dengan cepat gitu ya. Bisa menjawab dengan baik gitu ya. Oke. Nah, do your worksheet. It's a group time. Kalian akan bekerja secara kelompok seperti biasa. Nah, ini adalah jenis LKPD-nya ya. Nanti kalian bisa langsung cek di Google Classroom dan WhatsApp group. Sudah di-share linknya. Nah, ini sumber belajarnya. This is the learning source. Ya, kalian juga bisa dapatkan di Google Classroom. You can get it on Google Classroom or WhatsApp group. Oke. Next. Nah, this is the group. Ini grupnya. Group 1, Faisal, Dedi Akbar, Eva, Neng Winnie, Santi, Tiwan. Group 2, Elsa, Atiarati, Fitri, Nina, Siti, Nur Faidah, Susan Aulia. Group 3, Erwin, Amelia, Iis, Lisa, Siti. Group 4, Wiwi, Rodia, Cika, Sarifah, Juli. Group 5, Siti Mutia, Pipi, Erni, Sinta, Kuneti. Is it clear? Jelas?
Yes.
Oh, Widya nggak ada ya? Widya itu di grup berapa?
Grup 5.
Oh, grup 5. Berarti belum kecatat ya? It's okay Widya, don't be sad. Widya group 5. Oke. Let's go. Nah, kira-kira pertanyaannya ada 5 ini. Silakan langsung duduk berkelompok. Waktunya yang dibutuhkan adalah 10 minutes, 10 menit. Silakan. Ya, cepat. Move. Widya kelompok 5 ya. Ada 5 masalah yang harus kalian selesaikan. There are 5 problems. You have to find out the solution. Ya, yang pertama adalah tentang pertanyaan tell me about yourself. Yang kedua, the second one is what are your strengths. The third one is what are your weaknesses. And the fourth, why did you leave your last job? And the fifth is why should we hire you? Ya, silakan kamu buka Canva-nya. Ya, silakan dibuka Canva-nya. Silakan berdiskusi ya tentang tell me about yourself dan yang lain-lainnya. Lihat, perhatikan ke depan dulu. Masing-masing kelompok warnanya beda-beda ya. Ini grup 1 oranye ya, orange. And then ini red ya. Grup 1 red, grup 2 orange, grup 3 itu green, grup 4 gray, abu-abu, and grup 5 is blue. Ya, silakan dimulai. HP-nya buka dulu aja Canva ya. Canva-nya buka dulu aja. Oke, Canva-nya buka satu orang. Yang ada kuotanya. Oh. Kamu hanya bertiga kalian?
Iya,
oh, oke. Kuotanya ada? Ada, alhamdulillah ya. Canva-nya dibuka udah?
Ada.
Oke. Oke.
Lagi itu spot.
Canva-nya ada?
Ada.
Iya. Oke. Dibuka Canva-nya udah?
Kok kayak ada dia sih?
Ya, 1 minute more ya. 1 menit lagi. Thirty seconds more ya, 30 detik lagi. Okay, 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oke, time up. Waktunya habis ya. Nah, kita akan putarkan siapa yang akan mendapatkan giliran ya. Let's spin the wheel. Oke, group 1. Tepuk tangan untuk group 1. Oke, this is group 1. Give applause everyone. Tepuk tangan. Oke. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, please.
Oke, thank you, Chef. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 1, want to present the result of our work about how to answer questions and how to deal with the situation in a job interview session. The role play will be casted by Faisal as an applicant and Dedi Akbar as an interviewer.
Oke, di stop dulu bro. Udah. Kagok biar nggak ngulang 2 kali ya, langsung aja lah. Kayak itunya juga udah nggak ada. Tuh udah nggak ada Sal. Ini aja. Udah hilang. Capek-capek nyiapin hilang. Udah bilang gitu. Ini kan juga ya gitu. Udah 20 menit banget. Ini nih. Sok berdiri lagi, presentasi lagi pakai ini. Biar langsung masuk ke sini. Pegang aja. Pegang aja.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you, sir?
I'm good. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Welcome to our company for interview session. Are you ready for the interview?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, thank you. My name is Faisal. I live at Cipunagara, Subang, West Java. I was born in Subang on 14 Juni 2004.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are I'm creative and then easygoing man. I can use computer and operate Microsoft Office tools and many more. Also, I know very well how to deliver my ideas into projects and to improve team motivation in order to be more productive.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
I'm a little bit not confident when I'm speak in public area and I think too much into details when I work. However, I look up my weaknesses as the area for improvement. I try my best to make myself better by reading books, joining seminar or workshop, and doing a routine public speaking practice.
Well done. Why did you leave your last job?
I left my last job because my skills and knowledge were not being developed to my full potential effectively. I love the company and the people there, but it sounded the system was not suitable for me and I am ready to face bigger challenges as well.
The last question, why should we hire you?
I always take initiative and responsible when I do my job. Also, when I have dreams and targets, I try my best to achieve them. I believe that to be the best of me in work life, you will need this quality both to work personally and in a team.
Alright, we will inform you the result of our interview today after discussion with the management. Thank you for coming. Well done and good luck.
Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon, sir.
Yes, please.
We think that our presentation and so of job interview. Thank you for watching and paying attention. Sorry if we make mistakes. That all from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, give applause for your friends here. Thank you very much. That's very good performance ya, bagus sekali. Kostumnya bagus ya, niat gitu ya untuk perform job interview. That's good, very good. Nah, tadi kira-kira jawabannya ini ya. Kalian pun sama, kurang lebih pasti jawabannya tidak jauh berbeda dengan kelompok tadi sepertinya ya. Misalnya sudah cek di Canva, jawabannya mirip-mirip gitu ya. Ada yang kekuatannya, tell me about yourself. Ada yang nama yang menyebutkan tempat tinggal ya, sama menyebutkan lahir. Juga ada yang menambahkan sekolah, ya juga pekerjaan sebelumnya. Ada yang sudah PKL disebutkan lagi. That's good. It's not the problem, but that's good. That's good. What are your strengths? Kekuatan ya. Kekuatan yang kalian miliki masing-masing. Gitu ya. Bukan kekuatan orang lain ya, but your strength, your own strength. You have to analyze, you have to look deep down on yourself. What are your strengths actually? Kekuatan apa saja yang kamu miliki? Bukan kekuatan super ya. Kekuatan yang bukan kekuatan otot juga bukan, tapi kekuatan itu kelebihan. Gitu, skill, kemampuan apa? Lalu ada weaknesses. Weaknesses itu apa? Weaknesses itu apa tadi? Tadi kelebihan. Lawannya kelebihan apa? Kekurangan, kelemahan. Ya. Kamu juga harus mengungkapkan kelemahan, tetapi tidak menjadi penghalang kamu untuk bekerja, gitu ya. Misalnya seperti Faisal tadi. Faisal mengatakan bahwa kelemahannya adalah tidak percaya diri ya di depan umum, katanya gitu ya. Tapi saya melihat kelemahan itu adalah sesuatu yang untuk diperbaiki. Nah, seperti itu. Lalu ada, kenapa kamu meninggalkan pekerjaanmu sebelumnya? What did you leave your last job? Ya, harus diberikan alasannya, tapi jangan menjelek-jelekan perusahaan atau bos-bos atau karyawan di perusahaan sebelumnya. Gitu. Lalu ada terakhir, why should we hire you? Mengapa perusahaan harus menerima kamu? Gitu. Kenapa sih? Kamu harus cari tahu dan berikan alasannya. You have to find out and tell the reason, the main reason, the very logical reason, yang paling logis. Gitu. Oh, saya itu, tapi nggak boleh bohong ya. Don't lie. Nah, let's do a post test ya. Silakan lakukan post test. Masih sama itunya, linknya seperti pretest yang tadi. Silakan. Ya. Okay, thank you for doing the post test. Now lesson conclusion ya. Kita sudah sampai kepada kesimpulan. Kira-kira kesimpulannya apa dari pembelajaran hari ini? What conclusion are you getting from this study or from this material? Kira-kira apa? Yes, Ernie?
The actors are great, sir.
The actors are great. Thank you. Aktornya kan itu doang. Next. Ada lagi? Silakan. Yang mau? Boleh? Yes, please.
Knowing how to deal with job interviews, sir.
Yeah, okay, good, very good. Ada lagi? Is there anyone? Yes, please.
Mengerjakan soal dan menyelesaikan masalah secara berkelompok menggunakan Canva, Pak.
Okay, that's good, very good. Ada lagi? Thank you, Pipi. Oke, Kurniati dulu, silakan.
Understanding why preparation before job interview is important, sir.
Okay, thank you, Kurniati. Okay, please, Julie.
Studying or the solution of the problem on a job interview, sir.
Okay, thank you. Ada lagi? Is there anyone else? Ada lagi? Okay, Atia, please.
Answer to job interview question, sir.
Okay, thank you. Ada lagi? Sudah? Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Betul ya? Nah, kira-kira ini ada conclusion di depan. Kalian bisa lihat. You can see the conclusion in the front of class on the screen. The first is tips for job interview. Itu bukan John ya, itu job. First is tips for job interview. And second, how to deal with job interview. Third, solve the problems. And fourth, job interview preparation. And the fifth, answer job interview questions. That's very good. You can solve the problems about how to deal with the job interview and how to answer the interview questions. Gitu ya. Itu yang sudah kalian pelajari hari ini. Oke. Baiklah boys and girls, now we are going to do the reflection. You can take the link on the group WhatsApp or maybe Google Classroom. Okay, please. Sudah ada? Nah, silakan kamu per kelompok aja ya, boleh ya? Per kelompok ngisinya ya, group 1 misalnya atau group 2, group 3 baru jawabannya. Do you understand? Yes. That's good. Nah, ada 4 pertanyaan. There are 4 questions that you have to answer. The first is, what do you think about the lesson today? And the second, how do you feel after learning English today? And the second, what lesson do you get today? And the fourth is, give your suggestions or comment for the better study. Ya, caranya kamu gunakan ini ya, yang ada di pinggir kanan itu ada notes ya. Ada stick notes, tulisannya ada stick notes. Untuk reflection ya, pertanyaan pertama, the first question, what do you think about our lesson today? Group 1 said the lesson is very good. Okay, group 2 said it gives me new knowledge. Okay, good. And then the next slide is the question of how do you feel after learning English today? Group 5 better, group 2 joyful, group 1 happy. Okay, that's good. Next, ini ya. The third question is, what lesson do you get today? Group 5 said doing project by using Canva. Group 2 mentioned that job interview preparation. Okay, group 4 said how to answer job interview questions. Okay, very good. Group 1 has an opinion that they get job interview questions. Okay. Nah, untuk slide number 4, the question is, give your suggestions or comment for the better study. The comment from group 4, teacher, you must stay charming and attractive. Okay. And group 2, it would be better if every member in a group more active. Okay, thank you. Group 5, we can use Canva for other projects, sir. It's fun. Okay, that's good. Thank you, group 5. Next, it's not boring, so please continue to study by this way. And the last group is group 3. They say we will prepare our project better in the next study. Thank you for your comment. And suggestion for the next study. After reflection, okay, next chapter we are going to learn about report presentation. Report itu apa? Ada yang tahu? Laporan, presentasi laporan. Silakan dicari dan dipelajari di rumah. You can learn about it at home. Nah, quotes of the day. The best prevention of youth is being the good role model of elder generation. Ya, ini dari siapa? Cut Nyadin. Okay, why I chose Cut Nyadin? Karena Cut Nyadin, because Cut Nyadin is a great teacher. Ya, besides she is a fighter, she is a general of a troops. Ya, selain dia juga adalah jenderal perang. Ya, in a war. Tapi dia juga adalah seorang guru yang hebat, guru ngaji, guru ilmu pengetahuan, ya, guru sekolah dasar, MTS, madrasah gitu ya. Cut Nyadin. Jadi kata Cut Nyadin, penjagaan terbaik bagi generasi muda adalah menjadi contoh yang baik dari kalangan tua, gitu ya. Jadi tua yang harus orang tua ataupun generasi yang dewasa yang harus memberikan contoh kepada kalian. Kalian akan menjadi orang dewasa nih setelah lulus sekolah. Oke, makanya berilah contoh yang baik untuk adik-adik kalian di rumah ataupun untuk keluarga kalian ya, atau juga untuk saudara-saudara kalian yang sekarang masih sekolah mungkin, agar mendapatkan karir yang baik setelah lulus, gaji yang besar setelah bekerja. Amin nggak? Amin. Oke. But before we end this class, I need someone to lead us praying. Silakan yang memimpin doa, siapa? Ya, silakan. Oh dia. Ulangi.
We steady. After we steady, let's say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. You're very welcome. Okay, thank you very much, Rodia, to lead us praying. So, this is the end of our study session. So, thank you very much for paying attention and doing all activities in the English class. See you again next time. But before we close, let's do a chant together. If I say why, if I say how, you say okay. If I say what, you say yes. Yes, yes. If I say how, you say great. Great, great. Okay, yes, great. Okay, give applause. So thank you very much. I'm sorry if I make mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.